Mary, help of Christians, pray for us. Saint Joseph, pray for us. Pasok tayo dito sa last church na pupuntahan namin. Pang-pito namin ito for today. Salesian Church, guys. Mary, help of Christians. Ito po si Don Bosco, Saint John Bosco. Ayan, formator of the young. O diba, especially yung poor. Okay, he started out with the boys. Ayan po yung bone relic. Okay, pahawak naman. Saint John Bosco, pray for us. Ito po yung relic. Ayan, pray. Saint John Bosco, pray for us.